What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Robin. I'm back with another video, and I have here two cases from Poetic. They were kind enough to send me out. This is the Guardian and the Carbon Shield cases for the Galaxy A51. Now, this is kind of, I don't want to say a surprising, because a lot of times you don't get big companies making cases for phones like this, but since the A51 has been such a beast as far in sales, they need accessories. So first up, the Poetic Carbon Shield series. Now this is designed strictly for the A51. Now this is a slim fit, shock absorbing, premium flexible soft TPU case. Now it does have that carbon fiber texture on the outside, matte black, does have impact resistant TPU to absorb and to dissipate shock. It has a grip pattern that provides a grip able to handle your devices in all types of bad situations. It is screen protector friendly and is only compatible with the A51. This is a very nice looking case, and if this is a sign of things to come from Poetic as far as from a design aesthetic, Poetic may be back in the game again. Appreciate it. Does have that pattern. It is military standard drop protected. I'm not sure the actual height, and this case does cost $9.95. Please use my affiliate links. It helps my channel out. It's no additional cost to you if you use any of my affiliate links in any of my videos. It just helped me out with a nice little kickback to help me run my channel. So nice looking. It's got that nice looking carbon fiber look to it. This design is really nice. I really have to give it to Poetic. Changing the game up. Got this nice little outline, and it's a slight indentation right here for a design aesthetic, but it looks really nice. Cutouts on point, no problem with that. It is screen protector friendly. Lip protection, you don't have to worry about that. The camera is nicely protected. Let's check out the volume rocker button. No problem, nice and tactile, nice and clicky. Again, this is the Poetic Carbon Shield series, and this is, I'm quite sure this design will start making its way across a lot of other phones. This is a really nice one. Next up is the Poetic Guardian series case for the A51. Now this is a full body hybrid shockproof bumper case. Does have a built-in screen protector. I don't know how that's going to play out with the actual fingerprint sensor being kind of sucky, but I don't want to go off into the weeds on the fingerprint sensor on the A51. But this is a fully protected, military grade, drop tested, rugged case for the A51. Like I said, it does have a screen protector, clear polycarbonated bag, TPU lining, and bumpers. It is extra lip protection on this particular case. Does have that shock absorbing, impact resistant TPU lining around the polycarbonated case, and that provides a shock absorption. And it does have those little extra protection in the corners, and it does have these grip patterns for enhanced grip to prevent sliding out of your hand. Only compatible with the A51. This is a really nicely designed case. Now this says, leave it up to you to decide if you want the extra front flame for fully compatible with third-party tempered glass protection, or you can just use what they have provided, or you can use what you have on your actual screen. So that's kind of cool. They give you the option of whether or not you want your own tempered glass in there with this one, or if you want to rock it with what they already have pre-installed. So there's a nice option there. So keep that in mind without a screen protector. But by them giving you the option to go with a plastic case or just straight clear, both of these are in the package together. So let's rock it without that the screen protector on there, because we know what the end result's going to be. You got to drop it in the frame first. Once it's dropped in the frame, go ahead and seal it in. That was a nice, easy installation, real quick and to the point. Man, this is a nice one. Like I said, it does have those corners for extra protection. The bottom is nicely covered dust protectors on there for that in the headphone jack. So that's a plus. Heavy duty case. And again, like I said, I'm rocking this one without the screen protector. This may be the route to go. You know you're gonna have that extra lid protection. This looks really cool. I like this, man. I'm telling you. Poetic did a good job. All right, let's check out the volume rocker. Oh, nice and clicky, on point. Shouldn't have any kind of problem with this one. Camera's protected. Look at the buttons that protrudes out. Man, this is it's a real nice one. Nice heavy duty case. This is one of the few heavy duty cases that don't really feel that bad. I mean, there have been some heavy duty cases I put on my phone and it just feels like I got a brick on there. But this is pretty good. And it's $16.95 for this particular one. Now it does come in let me see here. It does come in all black. Now the all black one is $16.95. This one with this little blue trim right here is $18.95. Then they got one with like a lime green trim. That's $18.95. And they got another one where the body of it is gray, but it's pink and it has a pink lining around that one, and that's $18.95. So I will leave my links. Again, please feel free to use my links to help my channel out. I really appreciate it. So that pretty much does it for these two cases from Poetic. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any other questions, please leave those down below. Other than that, catch you in the next video.